Mix these 3 ingredients to relieve pain in no time. Homemade natural painkiller. When you crawl out of bed in the morning with a splitting headache or sore back, is the first thing you reach for a bottle of ibuprofen? If so, you might not be doing the best thing for your body. Although over-the-counter pain medication is popular, it doesn't make it the best option for your long-term health. Common painkillers or fever reducers can bring some nasty side effects if used regularly. We're talking about irreversible liver damage, acid reflux, and chest pains. That's only half the story. Reaching for that bottle of ibuprofen every day means that its effectiveness decreases over time. So, you're hurting your body, and you still might not be getting the relief you need. What if there were a healthier alternative? There is. Take a look at today's video, which teaches you how to make a healthy pain reliever and anti-inflammatory. First, let's learn how it does the job. Then we will show you how to make it. Rosemary, the main ingredient in this natural remedy, is used to treat muscle pains, joint pains and headaches. It has a wide variety of healing properties, due in part to its numerous chemical compounds. It help give you relief from the common aches and pains that you often suffer from. The olive oil also reduces swelling and smooths when massaged into sore joints and muscles. However, it's the most effective is the method by which the rosemary oil is applied without evaporating. As an added benefit, it dilutes the oil and protects the skin from any unwanted rashes that could result from the concentrated rosemary oil. Now that you know how it works, here's the recipes. Ingredients: 20 TBSPS of extra virgin olive oil, 5 drops of rosemary essential oil, 10 tablespoons of Himalayan salt or Epsom salt. Instructions: mix all 3 ingredients in a glass jar with a lid. Seal it and store it for 48 hours. As necessary, apply to the affected area when you wake up in the morning. If you have a headache, put it on your temples. You can massage the oil for a few minutes and then allow it to soak for 20 minutes. Then, wipe the remaining oil off with a damp cloth. Use for 10 days to see improvement.